Ano po ba ang napag-usapan ninyo kasama po yung ating mga supermarket owners?
Yes, tama po yun, no? There is no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities up to May 10. The initial was up to April 30. Ngayon, up to May 10. Nag-usap po kami ng mga manufacturers a few days ago, and we've come to an agreement that the no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities will be up to May 10.
Opo. Secretary, buti kinakaya po ng ating manufacturers na wala munang adjustment for now. Gaano po ba kalaki yung impact nitong oil price adjustments dito po sa ating mga basic commodities?
Actually, we know or we realize na meron talagang impact, no? But for now, there's no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities. So, up to May 10.
Ilang porsyento po ba, kung meron po tayong hawak na dato, Secretary, yung posibleng effect nito pong oil price adjustment doon po sa ating mga binibenta sa supermarkets?
Wala pa po kaming napag-usapan regarding the percentage, no? Because for us, up to this day, ang usapan namin is to really keep the prices stable, especially the prices of basic necessities and prime commodities.
Hanggang kailan po kaya ito? So after po ng May 10, Secretary, ano po kaya yung pwede nating asahan? How often po ba yung nagiging assessment natin?
Okay. Weekly kami mag-meet. So next week, mag-uusap ulit kami. And then we will update the public once may information na po kami about our meeting with the manufacturers and also with the retailers.
Sec, good evening po. Meron po ditong report no, na merong yung mga MSME at yung mga OFW ay pwede pong umutang, no? May available na ganyang support para sa kanila. Baka po meron po kayong mga detalye patungkol po dito para po mas maintindihan at ng mga stakeholders po nito. Kung paano po ito.
Yes, tama po 'yon. Actually, that is correct, no? We have the OFW Negosyo Fund. So lahat ng we set aside 2 billion pesos para dito. So lahat ng mga OFWs na gusto magnegosyo or lahat ng OFW na nagnenegosyo na or mga pamilya ng OFW na kailangan ng funding for their business, pwede po silang umutang sa DTI SB Corp. Up to 5 million po, no collateral, and there's a 1-year grace period, meaning no payment of principal and interest for the first year. So sa second year na po sila mag-uumpisa ng bayad.
Tapos ano pong minimum na bayad? So first year within the after 1 year nitong pag-avail ng loan, hindi nila kailangan magbayad. So the second year,
for 1 whole year. Yeah, the second year they can pay. So
doon na magsa-start.
They can pay, yes, doon na magsa-start, but they can pay within 3 to 5 years. Ano lang naman yun, they can just negotiate with SB Corp because SB Corp is a government bank. So talagang dapat flexible po. At saka we make it easy for them rin.
Meron po bang, I know this one is for loans, no? Pero ini-imagine ko lang baka merong mga micro businesses din na pa-bankrupt na po. Ano pong pwede pong tulong po na mabigay po sa kanila? Meron po ba silang program?
Yes, definitely. We also have the Enterprise Rehabilitation Fund for the micro. Actually, they can loan up to 300,000. Kahit yung mga sari-sari store, pwede rin mag-umutang. And we also have the MSME fund, business fund. So we set aside 4 billion pesos for this. So again, up to 5 million, no collateral, and for the first year, no payment of principal and interest. So, meron ang SB Corporation, which is the bank under DTI, meron po kaming mga loan program para sa kanila. So, ang best for them, they can onboard online, they can apply online through sbcorp.gov.ph or pwede rin silang pumunta sa different regional offices nationwide or the 1,344 negosyo centers nationwide. Matatanong po nila, or they can ask for more information. Pwede rin silang mag-inquire ng mga opportunities and possibilities na na ibibigay ng DTI para sa kanila.
Oo, last follow-up po, Sec, no? Kasi alam ko, no collateral
Yes, go ahead.
itong loan. Pero paano po
Yes.
yung interest po? Or negotiable din po yung interest?
Okay, since this is a government
Sa pagbayad
bank,
pala.
mababa yung
Oo.
interest. Mababa yung interest. So, it's best for them to go on board online para malaman nila kung magkano talaga. But the interest is also mababa dahil this is a government bank. And ang gusto talaga ni Presidente, ang ating Presidente, no, si BBM, to make sure that we assist the small and medium, the micro, small and medium enterprises as well as the OFWs and lahat ng mga nagnenegosyo. So, maganda po ang mga programang ito.